Hi, I'm Moses. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're watching, and if you're already a subscriber, you're welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how you can rank your Shopify gig to the first page in search. So this is what I'll be showing in this video. I want you to focus, pay attention, and watch the video to the end. Yeah. So before I proceed, I want you to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and tap the bell icon so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. Yeah, I'm going to be using one of my accounts. Yeah, for this tutorial video. So how you can rank your Shopify gig to first page in Fiverr search. So this is very simple. I'll be taking you through step by step from A to Z how you can do it. So now, what do you need to do? The first thing you need to do is you need an Apple promotion gig. So once you have an Apple promotion gig in Fiverr first page, this is what I'm talking about. When you go and search for Apple Music promotion, here in first page you will see like 3,000 plus gigs. So you need to have a gig here in first page. You need to have a gig here, so your gig must be here in first page. So once you have a gig here, you are good to go. So you might be wondering, how can you have your gig and in Apple Music promotion first page? I already made a video tutorial on this, a tutorial video on how you can rank your Apple Music gig to first page. If you want to watch that, so this is one of my previous video. You can click the video link up above. So yeah, in the video I've explained step by step on how you can rank your Apple Music gig. So now it's about Shopify gig today. So once you follow the step I showed in the previous video, so now if you follow the step by step, so your gig must be in Apple Music promotion first page. So once you have your gig here in Apple Music promotion, now you need to wait for weeks for you to get orders. So once you start getting orders, after you've completed maybe 4 to 5 orders, at least 4 to 5 orders, or let me say 6 orders, after you've completed 5 to 6 orders on your gig, on your Apple Music promotion gig, so this is very certain your gig will show here in Apple promotion. Yes, in Apple promotion your gig will show here, because your gig would have, by then your gig would have had more impressions, more clicks, more favorite and reviews. So that will help your gig to show here in Apple promotion. You see these different keywords: Apple Music promotion and Apple promotion. So once if you follow the tutorial step I showed in the previous video, your gig will appear in Apple Music promotion. So after you getting orders here, your gig will appear in Apple promotion. So that's it, very simple. So once your gig shows here, now you are good to go. Now you can just go on to your account and edit your gig. Click on edit. So now you're going to convert this Apple Music promotion gig to Shopify promotion. So how can you do that? We already have, when you go on to Shopify promotion, yes, here we have various gigs. You can just get ideas on how you can create your own and edit your gig. So you can just get ideas here. So these are how you can get ideas. Very simple and fast and easy. So once you want to edit your gig to Shopify promotion, you edit the gig title. So I'm not changing it, so I'm just want to explain. So you need to edit the gig title. So you edit it to Shopify promotion. I already told you need to go on to Shopify promotion, so you can just don't duplicate someone else's gig. That is very harmful to you. So because Fiverr can just modify your gig and flag your account, or you can just be restricted, so anything can happen. So don't duplicate someone else's gig. You can just get ideas on how they created the gig, the title, the packages, the descriptions, and all. So you need to edit the gig title to Shopify promotion. You need to change the SEO title. Now you need to, let me just quickly brief this. Let me do this step by step. So assuming I'm changing it now to gig title Shopify. No, let me just say I will do Shopify promotion, targeting US traffic. So this is what I want to do in my gig, and you need to let your gig be short. You need a shorter title. So this, and with this you have a perfect gig. So, and one of the things that I want to show you in the title is that when you're creating a gig title, make sure your gig, your keywords also appears in your gig title. Because here, if I write Shopify promotion and I didn't write Shopify marketing, so definitely when I go in search and search for my gig in Shopify marketing, I can see there, because marketing doesn't appear in my gig title. So you need to take note of that. So unlike this gig, for example, in this gig you see I'll promote your ETSC, blah blah blah. So when you go on to Shopify marketing, you can never see this gig here. You can only if Fiverr just filter a gig, because sometimes you'll be wondering that your gig might appear where you didn't even add the keywords in your gig. You didn't add the keywords in your gig, and your gig appears there. So luckily your gigs might appear like that in some other searches, so that you didn't even add the keyword and your gig shows there. So that's what can happen. But if you want your gig to show fast, real fast and quick, you need to add the keyword in the title. For example, let me just scroll down. For example, look at this gig. Let me zoom in. Let me just zoom in more. So if you look at this gig, I'll do Shopify marketing. So marketing is there, Shopify promotion is there in the gig title, and Shopify sales is there in the gig title. So if I go on and search for Shopify marketing, the gig will be here. So I can just be going more further searching pages. Yeah, you can see this is the same gig here, and I said it already. Now if I go on and search for Shopify sales, the same gig will be here. Let's see. So it's not a first page. When we go and search for the second page, here you could see this same gig is here. So that's the importance of the gig title and the keywords you need to know. So that's what I want you to know. So you need to change your gig title. Make sure those keywords appear in your gig title. And the second thing, your gig SEO, you need to edit the gig SEO to something like this: Shopify promotion and Shopify marketing, Shopify sales, or Shopify traffic, so on. So now, as you can see here, if you are editing your gig and you didn't pause the gig, you won't be able to change your gig category. So How can you do this? And you want to change your gig category, so you need to pause the gig first. But I'm not pausing the gig. I'm not pausing it because I'm not saving the gig. I'm just using it for the tutorial video. So you can pause your gig to change the gig title, and you might leave the gig title because the gig category rather, sorry, so the gig category, and you can leave it the way it is, because sometimes Fiverr do change the category automatically. But if you want your gig to be more to you want your gig to gain more awareness, show in more places related to your service, you need to change the category. You just going on and pause the gig. Once you pause the gig, you'll be able to change the category and go on and move on. So you choose all the other service types, and then now let me just pause the gig so you could understand better. Now I need to edit again. So I've paused this gig now. There is it. So I can just change this gig category, digital marketing. Now I can change this to social media marketing or e-commerce. Since this is Shopify promotion gig, so I'm going to change it to e-commerce marketing. Now the service type, website promotion. Then you choose the platform you support. Now which is Shopify here. You can choose e-commerce, Amazon, more. You can choose up to 3. Now you choose industry you worked with here, the promotion method, paid ads, email list promotion, and you also delete all these search tags that is there. The Apple Music search tags, you delete that and put Apple Music Shopify promotion, Shopify marketing. So that's how you change the gig tag. Now you go on again to the gig pricing. So you need to change the gig pricing. You change the basic gig, the standard, and the premium. So now you change the gig extra. You change that to save the gig and continue. You go into description. You change the description also to Shopify promotion. Erase all the description for the Apple Music promotion. You need to change that. You change the requirement. You change this too. Now you change the gig picture to Shopify promotion. So finally we have converted our gig from Shopify promotion, from Apple Music promotion to Shopify promotion. So this is very, very simple, as you can see. So if you follow these steps, how I show this in this tutorial video, now you go on to Shopify promotion. When you search for your gig in Shopify promotion, and search for it, your gig will appear in first page. Now because you watched this video today, and I want to show you something, because I haven't said this before, but I'm going to show you this because you watched the video today. Before you edit your gig, let's come back here to the gig. I need to activate the gig back. So take note of the gig impression before you edit your gig. Make sure the gig impression is at least the last 7 days of the gig impression. The last 7 days, because is there 30 days, so you need to change it to last 7 days. So make sure the last 7 days of the gig is always over, or let me say is more than 1.4K. For example, when I check the last 30 days or the last 6 months of the gig, as you can see, the impression of the gig is 17K. So before you can edit your Shopify gig, before you're gonna edit your Shopify gig, make sure the impression of the gig, as you can see, this gig impression is 154. So I can't edit this right now because on the gig I have no orders, no review, nothing, so I can't edit it right now. So I need to wait to let the gig impression reach like 1.4 above, starting from 1.4k above. So this is when, or you can even let it maybe reach 2k impressions, so that will be more better. So once my gig reach 2k impression, the last 7 days impression is 2k, then I'm free to edit it, change it and convert it to Shopify promotion. Your gig will show in first page. So that's all how to do this, how to get your Shopify gig to first page in such simple tutorial. I mean, it's very simple. It's very simple to do. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you find this video helpful. I want you to subscribe. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you try this on your own. And if you want, maybe you have another topic you want me to cover, so write it down in the comment section, so I will add it to my list. Thanks for watching. See you next time.